Look, you're there foreign from before sun grow sucker. And a green card you're there pan. And you come at about say, you're married to a woman. You did want married Swissless, but the green card wouldn't give you. You wanted to marry Swissless. Remember you tell Swissless to come a friend, you have great aim for him. Yeah, and that hurt you. Swissless gone on. Yannick have a whole heap of things to put him down. This WorldDawg came out and said cheat on Yannick. WorldDawg came, we don't understand where the defense come from in WorldDawg's case. Because if you confess to all these things, it simply means that Yannick has been a good baby mother to you. And you have not yet been a good baby father to Yannick and a good daddy to the child. Yeah. Yannick is not a confrontational individual, and that's that much why you come out and go and so. How can the lady ask you for money for the baby? She said, give me half. Yannick, you don't know if you go get child support, I could have $20. Go get child support. You want every dollar, go and get child support, I could have $14. Go and get it. Go and get it. That's why I'm saying go and get it. That's why I'm saying argue with him back and forth. Do you do behind closed door? Mash up him door. Mash up him meds private. Of course, him name lodge in a government book. That's why you can't get him still now. If Yannick ever report him, ICE come pick him up. Imagine cope, thank you. Only for you come back and disgrace the girl. A liar tell WorldDawg. A liar tell a man you are. A man you say you're Mandy Moore. You are Mandy Moore. Me not ask you. You're Mandy Moore. So you go back to your girl and say, yeah man, bring her down for you, my baby. Eh? Loyal better dash her, she bring for you, and she better go wash out her inside. Of course, that's how the WorldDawg want from man in WorldDawg want body. About the WorldDawg saying, then which man me could have do with the behave like WorldDawg? If me so orin and me not take WorldDawg kind. If me not do them something to my body, then why me should look on WorldDawg? Why Yannick should look on WorldDawg now and even go spark for breed with WorldDawg, breed for WorldDawg? Yannick man, that desperation that if you could have turned back the little boy, you turn him back here. Me not in the light, this is not somebody for attach yourself to. Me not in the light, family court to pick him up a morning. On the wait too long, him have to give him back everything. Him have to go look work. I could have $14 to pick me forget. I will put the rest. I will put the rest. So when I see them tired by the girl, they come up and attack and defend about the man have feelings. How wanna get feelings in this? How wanna get feelings in this? And at this wanna sit down and support. I couldn't keep up last night. Me never have to keep up because some WorldDawg start talking. Me don't want to hear nothing. From WorldDawg start talking, I don't want to hear anything at all. Once WorldDawg open his mouth, I don't want to hear nothing. WorldDawg is just a mama man. One big dirty mama man. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. That's why I'm glad she go play her own match and collect her own stipend so she can take care of WorldDawg youth out of it. Me just glad. Me glad she go play her own match and collect her own stipend. So at the end of the day, WorldDawg now have nothing to say. WorldDawg now have nothing to say. Yeah, and it now go work, WorldDawg. Stand up to your responsibility about the amount of things. Are you do this for Yannick and you do that for Yannick. More remember the exact word where him say you like you say you Bill Yannick. Bill Yannick you never Bill yet. Bill Yannick you never Bill yet. Cause one thing about Yannick we always hear say Yannick have it to take care of somebody. Come on now, WorldDawg. Your name and everything depend on the house because of what? Eh? Because you don't want to be deported, you don't want to look like you're a foreigner and not do nothing. Yannick money in a way you name the pan. If the house is yours, why you don't put out Yannick? Why you not make Yannick move out? And that me want to know. Now hats off to Jaden, they supposed to kill you. Jaden a real fussy. Cause you never want Yannick now the baby eat. All you load up on the app, you don't even care or the very much. Make it make sense. All you load up on the one and people not say this, you know. WorldDawg, it's not about Yannick, it's about your child. It's not about Yannick, it's about your child. Oh, it about go no WorldDawg. It's not about her now, you know, it's about your child. So the story is not about Yannick. So how your child are going to eat? It look like if you left Yannick, you left the picnic too. Hello? Exactly. One to the smoke shop, Yannick have a whole heap of things can talk, you know. Mind Yannick talk which part the gun them berry. Mind Yannick talk which part them berry, or you have to sell some because you're hungry. Yannick no one come out and talk the truth, you know. Because if my memory serves me correct and my eye work, me remember one time she do a video and the whole you do a video and the whole gun them exposed on the table. Go on man, WorldDawg, and come out of my face and go find back Joe. I must think the Joe situation done. The Joe situation nah done like Naya. The Joe situation nah finish like Naya. The lady want back Joe. She want back Joe. It nah done. Yannick have a whole heap of things to talk on who you eat on the app. Yannick now want to bust it up in the mirror. I wonder if Yannick can look your back. Because you could not disgrace me. So bring down for bring down. Bring down for bring down. When me don't bring it down, I'll pick me where you give me your eat. I bring down for bring down. You mad? Yannick have so much secret by you, you can't say a lie. All if Yannick can make up things, you can't say a lie. I will not sit here and allow you to say that it's a lie. Someone know why Yannick takes so long for talk. And that me not like. No boy nah bring me down, I mean bring them lower than 6'6". Me nah ask you, you get a abyss. You get a abyss. Mean that me nah make you run in for me. So you're mad and give me how much meat bomb. You nah not up my face, I mean not up your bottom. Exactly that me say, hype and I take blue pill. Hype and I take blue pill. Hype and impotent. Hype and impotent. Explain all of this to me. Oh, she prefer them. Let me tell you something. Care oh, you have a bad man and the man always a beat down pan. You see once him bring it to the public, all gloves off. A fist to fist where bruise up with knuckles. All gloves off. You mad? We are bruise up our knuckles. Me not tell like I want to see your skin pan ya so. I want to see your skin pan my knuckles. Fist to face. Yeah? We me may not the be. No. You might talk about rain sound and baby oil. How can I pick the shade of grey go in the bedroom? Then that's a WorldDawg cramp. How we had the WorldDawg lift up Swissless order? Make you so cramp. All, but you know, if that pick out ear out of my face, WorldDawg, your face that favor carpet grass. Your face that favor carpet grass. Worse like how you not cute already. Go and sport them there. We want woman to do nip and pluck. Nip and pluck. And you not bringing nothing in the house. Not, you never buy the baby a Pampers yet. But you want baby oil, you must buy a new dildo. You must buy a 19-inch dildo. Baby oil and raindrops. But me like them something. You're supposed to like them something because you're a girl. Remember you little bit and girly. A man no for no want to know for set mood. When know for set mood about nipple biting. And your skin dirty. You shout more than now your beard. Me not understanding from WorldDawg ban until now you know for go on YouTube and find rain sound. You don't know if you go on YouTube and find rain sound WorldDawg from you ban until now. But you like them something there on your green card. Look, you're there foreign from before sun grows sucker. And a green card you're there pan. And you come at about say, you know, you're married to a woman. You did want married Swissless, but the green card wouldn't give you. You wanted to marry Swissless. Remember you tell Swissless to come a friend, you have great aim for him. Yeah, and that hurts you. Swissless gone on. Me know say you never like Lulu, you know, not the lemon. Me know you never like Lulu. Because you have to watch your handiwork. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Pete. Where's Paul? Me tell you this every day. Sometimes I found enough a breed for some man will love them brethren. Stop. Stop. Don't deal with them boy there. See your friend there. Go take your friend. I've been asking and then just a comment agalang. Miss Jolly, where did I ask? This is the type of woman your WorldDawg have. WorldDawg and Loyal soon kick off. WorldDawg and Loyal soon kick off. No say nothing. And Loyal go come out and talk, but we're going to spit pan her. We are going to spit pan Loyal, Royal, Tire, whatever lol. We're going to spit pan the bitch. Yeah, she soon come out, come talk. We shall spit on her. Yeah. In 3 business days, thank you, my baby. You say, I'm here. Someday you just move up. Me say, me that spit in a WorldDawg face. Yanika eat that in me that spit, me that arc and toe in a WorldDawg face. And WorldDawg can't come to Jamaica and walk freely because him little mouth. Yeah. The internet now run her, you know? The internet now go get a chance run her. Me now ask you, internet now go run her. Now go run her. Internet now go run her. Now go run her. Internet now go run her. Now go run her. Sunday she go buy the baby in family. When I realize the embarrassment in the position that WorldDawg put the child in, you know, it's a disgrace. You don't want to maintain the picnic, so you want to come on the app and beg. It's a disgrace. It is just a disgrace that the internet have to go feed your own, but you have so much talk, WorldDawg. It's a disgrace that the rich and famous have to come on the internet for your child to get fed. It's a disgrace, WorldDawg, to the amount of things where you thief off of the app. You gotta tell me, say, a top girl like you, WorldDawg, would I really want your enemy feed your top blow girl on the app. Remember, them say the amount of things where you do. For TikTok, which me can't see it all now. Yeah. Top girl WorldDawg. Yeah, top girl, you know. And the internet feed your own. At the internet feed your own. Then did Yannick play with the nipple to get that baby? Did she or didn't she? Did Yannick suck your nipple to get the child? No, she did not. So all of a sudden a nipple days. Yannick supposed to do her body 3 times, and the 3 times she do her body every day. The 3 times the lady do her body every day. So work out all of that. You want to Swissless the BBL. If Swissless the BBL it would sweet you. Swissless have your heart. One thing with Swiss, if you're a maga girl, him have your heart. If you're a maga girl, Swiss have your heart. Anytime you see a man and him love him friend more, run. Anytime when you go and you see a man and him love him friend more, when you run, I always tell you girl this, you know. I say enough of them man, you know, straight at them brethren, them there with. Me talk it every single day, but when you listen to me, my man cannot give my brethren them more time than we might give me. You're mad? You're mad, then what we my root for? And then something then from Yannick, from you know WorldDawg, you never know so WorldDawg they go play that game upon you. If him do it to all them friend them, if him do it to Joe and Joe mama, yeah, you can imagine, tell me the truth where God love. Yannick should have run. Sometimes it not make no sense you cover up for no man because they would never cover up for you. And one thing me like though, you know I forget the $500 from him. The children shall eat through his enemies' hands. The children must eat through his enemies' hands. Now asking a baby girl, oh, push your trolley in a Walmart and video it. and make him know say, glory be to God, God is a come true God. And it's just the truth. We all make mistakes, we all take the wrong some of them. But in taking the wrong things, you have to honor the world that got drunk or baby germs. Baby germs. World that got baby germs. Me no rate this, me no respect this. And any woman out there will defend WorldDawg about his emotions when he's just as nasty as WorldDawg. And I pray when I get some man retreat when I like shit. I just pray from Miss Triple go right down. I just pray when I get some man retreat when I like shit. Yeah, it's just the truth. From Triple go right down a gully. But the boy have feelings too. WorldDawg have too much feelings. He need to sell them. He need to sell them and buy any family for the baby. A lacta 1+ at the next feeding. It's true. Woman to woman, I feel it for you. A pain and feeling. Yannick not supposed to do this on the app because she's not this girl. And we can't give that to her. She is not this girl. You know what hurt me the first time when Amir said, Mom, Akeem is cussing you out. And all she could have said, cuss me. Him a cuss him. I felt it so badly. I felt it. Me say if Yannick was ever my cousin, I speak for WorldDawg. Me nah ask. Yeah, but you return up the Joe. WorldDawg would have to run up and down. WorldDawg broke her hungry long time. I lacked a 1+. WorldDawg, let me tell you something. WorldDawg hungry long time from him leave Swissless party and go a fight for attack 2,500. It meaningful to him. Yeah, a 2,500 make Jakes is not around with the driver. 2,500. Yeah. What you say? The man come in my vehicle and piece up in 2,500. And piece up in my vehicle and the whole of them go tell 2,500. And the whole of them go tell me, say no, me I eat that. The whole of them go on like 2,500. All that shit in here. It's true, 2,500. And that he left Jamaica for go kill half Joe for. Joe did for 2,500. You're really hungry. You make $2,100 one day on the app. It's blooming. WorldDawg, you're hungry. It's blooming for you. $2,500 blooming. WorldDawg, you're hungry. You're hungry. Yes, Sister Winnie. WorldDawg hungry. All the shout, yeah, shout. Mind your faint. Yes, Sister Winnie. Him not taking accountability. None. No accountability. We don't know how you come up and testify that the lady has never done you wrong in the relationship. You understand me? It's you go there and cheat. Every man cheat. Not every man. Not every man. Only a man will look for a man cheat. Not every man. Because sometimes when you switch on a baby mother for some big hole. You never know. Sometimes someone left for no woman for some rat bat and scar dog. Then WorldDawg just announced say Yannick old. Yannick though older than WorldDawg pants front and me not tell no lie. WorldDawg from him waist go down look ancient and him waist come up look like old time English. Me not ask you. Me not WorldDawg fit Yannick and Yannick fit WorldDawg. So don't mistake it WorldDawg about Yannick old. Because you and Yannick look parallel. Like we're not going in the same age direction. Me not ask you. And nobody not supposed to sit down and look on WorldDawg and say him look younger than Yannick. That's a lie. Tell WorldDawg take off the filter. Tell WorldDawg take off the filter. Yeah. Yeah, him let him good home for spa. Yeah. WorldDawg don't look younger than Yannick. WorldDawg don't look younger than Yannick. Me don't know how when I say WorldDawg, me don't know how to make WorldDawg still a cuss about Yannick old. WorldDawg don't look younger than Yannick. WorldDawg fit Yannick. You know, sometimes I say, look on Queenie and Dewey. Although Dewey did that try look like Queenie one of the time, still in it kind of confusing. But leave that part there for next time. Look on Queenie and Dewey. Look pan Rosalie and Hakeem. Look pan Jakes and liar tell about Jakes and Cheryl. Cut out that part there. Moving right along. Yeah. Explain that part here to me. Explain the whole of that part here to my people. Yannick, they with WorldDawg and draw him looks. And that's the problem. Yannick, they with WorldDawg and draw him looks. She have stop putting herself together. Not for one never say that. Yannick hardly put herself together from she did with WorldDawg. You never know. You never know. You never know. Sometimes you do with someone you have to look like them problem. And that Yannick look like. Me see Yannick what they put on one full body suit. I mean not to lie, as much as our surgery might upstairs, she look good in it. Bad to bad, me not gonna tell no lie. She look good in it. She know if put herself together. She have color. She's not the prettiest and the hottest and the this and the that, but she can put herself together. And you have to give some people that. She can put herself together. WorldDawg never look good yet. You always look like you just come out of the pen, like you're in your uncle clothes. You always look like you just come out of the pen. No care what WorldDawg when everybody else dress up here. Me can't find the dress in a year up. Me cannot find the dress in a year up. And them now sit down and talk the truth. But you want nipple for sucker, you know your skin green. Your mother died before she could have squeezed out the something more for green up your arm through your nipple. Move and go. Me never know say una man so delicate, una worse than me, man. Una worse than me. Me not have no breast, cause me not do it yet, and boy I grab up my chest. Sometimes I think say the boy them out of the bench press for my nipple. For true, and you are walk a big. Yeah, what kind of man? You're a man. And you talk about the nipple sucking. Me tell you how much time you chew on my clit. Sometimes I think I rat down than the cheesy. Nipple sucking. No, but in a lie, sister, when me never hear this yet in all of my days I sell my body on a back road. I never hear this yet. Never I been seeing this or heard this. I never heard in this. Me don't know what the alphabet. Like you need for going and say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, man, a P. Yeah, I mean, a female relating with them man, you know. And you know, no man, them just play with them man. Them just play with them man. Sometimes you man watch, you have all the hand in their pants front. It's stiffen it, did it, stiffen it, did it, stiffen it, did it, stiffen it. I just have to play with, so no one nothing, you know. But I just like a comfort. Sometimes you man have drive all for 3 hours, 2 hours. And you know, when you just relax in the vehicle and you have all your hand in their pants front, you just have to feel them up and not talk kind of reason. You know them because something nice. But if in the bedroom, you got to tell me now, say for sucking nipple before me can't get nothing. Eat my nipple so I can't start. WorldDawg a liar till before some go feel pressing iron, my brand that. Before some go feel 2 raw wire and put underneath your balls and come say negative and positive. Yeah. When me done with you, I'll hear them down there so white. Them turn tourist. Me don't know how you work out that. Me don't understand how to work out them bedroom. Yeah. Then which boy could have me in a bedroom and say turn me on? From the moment they tell me turn you on and me take off my clothes and me know my shape good. Me know my shape good because I'm alone in a Jamaica have natural body now. Everybody body having something. Me alone have natural body. Belly flat, chest nice. And my neck are long. Where you tell me say you have yourself a runway. So if you want a hobby going a Lord of the Rings, move from here so. You're brighty. Yeah, my must link in for turn you man. Turn me on, turn me on. I roll him one swap. Enough of them boy I love freaky girl. Enough of them boy I like girl. We can keep them mouth because they can have honey and always available. They are available.